My hobby is busy spraying tall grasses in our coconut farm. Within 3 days, tall grasses starts to bend, and after 5 days, it will dry up. My hobby applied to for the chemical substance. When the cocoa farm was already cleaned and tall grasses are all phased out by these chemicals. By next month, we are preparing for the next harvest. All falling coconuts will be easily picked up by the laborers and load to treasure. All coconuts will be collected to unload to the big file. Huskers are waiting for this to husk all coconuts. Coconut husk will not be burned out, but to make it a fertilizer. Wow, it is a thrifty operation of coconut farming. Buyers then are waiting for this to buy these husk coconuts. And it depends if the price is right. Watch more behind the scene moments from our farm journey and exclusive reels by subscribing here. It's https://www.facebook.com/malaysia.cobar.2025/subscribe/. Thanks for watching, guys.